Hello guys, it started to happen. Trump will publish the new tariffs, most probably on the 2nd of April. That means we are on the fear and greed index with currently extreme fear. That means not just the S&P 500, the whole market is going down. And the tariffs are for automobiles and parts on that. So that means if you have uncertainty in the market, the stakeholder will sell their stocks and don't like to buy even more. But I think, especially these times, create wealth over time. And this is not something that I will promise you. Only thing that I can do is show you what I'm currently doing. And I pre-recorded 3 days ago what I've done. And after that, the whole topic with tariffs on automobiles and parts are started. What I bought and what kind of amount I invested, you will see in the next couple of minutes. I just want to repeat myself to help you understand the whole topic better. If you invest in a worldwide ETF, you are most probably safe. And you have to understand it. If you just look at, for example, the Google stock, you see currently how it went down. And if we look at the overall performance, we had a lot of times dips with similar market positions like we have currently. Other people are just speaking about you have to buy stocks, and the difference between them is that I'm showing you what I'm buying. I'm not just talking about a specific scenario or a possibility. I show you exactly what I'm doing. I told you already on December, if Trump will be the president, he will bring up a lot of uncertainty. That means we will have in the future as well a lot of ups and downs. And that is a point which I can promise you. Because when he was elected, the whole market started to rise up and people thought the whole situation will change. And for Donald Trump, the stock market is an indicator to show if he's a good president or not. He wants to have a good US market and a good economy. And with the tariffs, he just built up pressure for other countries. And currently the uncertainty bring down the whole market, and Google is just an example, but with all the other stocks, it is pretty similar like with Google. And this is just my opinion, a lot of chances for the future. Because you see, currently we are here at 156 USD per stock. And it could be like a similar situation we had here or even more here, because this is just the beginning. And I started to invest with bigger amounts since almost 1 year. And I know you can't time the market and as well can't predict it, and you are not able to look at the historical data because this is as well things which could change in the future. But I try my best to build wealth over time. And don't just think about the whole situation currently. Think as well for your future. If you have a lot of money aside invested into stocks or other assets, you feel much more safer. And as well, if you want to retire, you always know you have money aside and you are not forced to let you help from others. That means you are independent. Let us go into my interactive broker account because I want to show you what I've done and what will most probably happen in the future. Currently, we have a lot of ups and downs in the market, but this is the right time, in my opinion, to buy more stocks. So I put into my broker around 1050 Swiss francs, and right now I will convert it into USD so we can trade it and you can see what I want to buy today. So I choose the Swiss francs and put in the currency that I want, and that is USD. And I will try to get the whole amount out of it. That means I will try with 1048. And let us preview it if it will go through and how much the commissions are. Included commissions are 177, so that means it should be going through. Let us submit it. Like always, click on don't show this message again, and it worked. That means right now we have a little bit of money inside the broker, and it's almost 1093 USD that we have. So let's go into my portfolio and see if it's really going through and start to buy the first stock. Let us start with Google. Currently, I own around 10 Google stocks, but I want to build up this position, and they are currently at 173 USD per stock, and I want to buy around 200 USD. That means I will get around 1.157 shares. So I usually take the market price, and here you can see it was over 200 USD per stock. and went down. Let us preview it and see the commissions and fees. And like always, they are just like 35 cents, which are nothing in comparison to other broker. That is the reason why I love Interactive Broker that much. And we don't want to have this message. And always click on don't show this message again, but it will come anyway. And my order is currently pending and the market is not opened. And the first thing that I wanted to do is like start to buy my stocks. And if the market is opened, my order will be go through. So Google was my first stock which I wanted to buy. The next stock that I want to buy is Amazon. Here as well, I put in USD and the amount that I want in Amazon stocks. I will buy 250 USD in Amazon stocks and choose as well like in Google the market price. So if the market is opened, I will get my Amazon stocks, and as well they are at 35 cents in commission and fees. Let us submit the order and check. Like always, don't show this message again and accept. And your order is pending, and as well the warning that the market is not opened currently. I have something more that I want to buy, which I don't have in my portfolio currently, but we will change that. So for that, we need to go to my watch list, and it is Microsoft. It was at over 460 USD and is currently at 395 USD. The amount that I want to buy in Microsoft is 300 USD. I will get 0.75 shares out of it. Let us preview it like always, and it's the same with Google and Amazon with just 35 cents, and I will submit that as well. And my order is as well pending, and if the market is opened again, I will get all the 3 stocks. Last but not least, I have one more thing to do. That is my biggest amount that I want to invest. For that, let us go back to my portfolio and to the bottom area, and we can see it is my S&P 500 from Vanguard, which called WU. And here I will buy around 440 USD because I don't have more money left. And currently I own around 5.6 WU ETFs. Okay, I will buy around 437 USD in WU because I don't have more money left. And this will be as well be going through if the market is opened. And as you can see currently, this was a short transition for you, but for me a couple days later. Currently I'm at 11,281 francs in my portfolio. That means the market dropped. And if you just look at the past 7 days, I bought my 3 stocks when it was at the 26th of March. And as you can see, it fell down. And we will see how it will go in the future. But I'm honest, we are still in a market correction. That means a lot of these positions are undervalued. You have a lot of opportunities because you will buy all the stocks cheap. And if you buy cheap stocks, it will create wealth over time. So currently, I will extend in the future even more stocks like Microsoft, Amazon, Google, and my WU ETF. There is a lot of potential in the future. And my goal is to invest around $10,000 to $12,000 per year. But currently, this is my goal. I want to gain as fast as possible the first $100,000 and let the compound interest do its magic. It is hard because if you see a lot of red numbers and you don't know what is going on in the market because it's unsafe and you hear a lot of people speaking the whole time about the stock market and what is going on, you struggle and think twice about decisions. But I think in exactly these times, you have to be patient and disciplined and continue just what you started to do. And in my case is to get rich and wealthy. And with that, it was a short update. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye bye.
It's not a game, it's a